off the water supply by turning the knob counterclockwise to stop the flow of water. Flush the water out of the toilet by holding down the lever. Unscrew the water supply line from the bottom of the toilet. You may need to place a towel below to catch any remaining water. Insert the black rubber washer into the T-valve. Connect the flexible supply line to the bottom of the T-valve until tight. Connect the T-valve to the fill valve and screw on until tight. Attach the bidet hose to the remaining opening on the T-valve. Connect the sprayer to the other end of the hose. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Lift the cover of the toilet and place the hanger on the side of the toilet closest to the sprayer. In the down position, the toilet flow is on and the sprayer is off. In the middle, both the sprayer and toilet flow is on. In the up position, both the sprayer and toilet are off.